Bonjour, c'est Clara French in the Midlands. This video is about the different meanings of pour and the difference between pour and pour que, because I have noticed that English speakers tend to mix them up quite a lot and they're not really interchangeable. Let's take a look. Pour, the first meaning is obvious, it's for. Say, for instance, c'est un cadeau pour toi. It's a present for you. That's fairly straightforward. Or you could say, j'ai acheté des couverts en plastique pour la soirée de samedi. I bought some plastic cutlery for Saturday's party. So the meaning of for, the exact same one as English. The difficulty is that pour also means to or in order to. It's always the idea of in order to, a finality, an objective. For instance, je suis allé chez mon frère pour l'aider à déménager. I went to my brother's to help him move house. But here it's in order to help him move house. So that's why you need the pour. Because a lot of people, and quite rightly so actually, say to me, okay, well, aider is in the infinitive, so that's the to, so therefore why do I need pour in front of it? And it's for that. It's for the objective. It's in order to. Je regarde la télé en français pour apprendre la langue. Exactly the same thing here. I watch TV in French in order to learn the language. There's this objective of in order to do something. And that's the two big differences between for and in order to. And it's the same word in French, it's pour. Pour que is slightly different. Pour que primarily means so that. But it can also mean in order to if you place it at the beginning of a sentence. So it's kind of the same meaning as the previous pour. But remember the so that. That's very useful. Let me give you an example. J'ai laissé le journal sur la table pour que tu le lises. I left the paper on the table so that you can read it. Of course, in French, there's no can, for starters, so that you read it. And after pour que, you get the subjunctive. Not pour que tu le lis, which is present, but pour que tu le lises, because it's an expression with que. Same thing for the next one. J'ai fait poser une alarme pour qu'on ne soit pas cambriolé. I had an alarm fitted so that we don't get burgled. And you see, pour qu'on ne soit pas, not pour qu'on n'ait pas, pour qu'on ne soit pas, because that's the subjunctive of être. And that's it for this one. Give me a like if you enjoyed it and subscribe if you're not already a member. And I'll see you in the next one. À bientôt.